Hello again, everyone. So, this week we are finishing up Chapter 8, looking first at 8.7, where we're talking about homeownership. At the beginning of the semester, I thought about making this section extra credit because it just seems so unlikely that people our age are going to be able to own homes, but let's be optimistic instead, and also I gave you extra credit elsewhere. Here, a lot of what we're talking about is very much in the same flavor as what we did in 8.6, except talking about houses instead of cars. So we're going to look at how much goes into a mortgage, how long it might take to pay off a mortgage, scheduling that sort of process, and then some other things in there about, say, renting versus buying and general expenses that come with a house. And then in 8.8, we are talking finally about credit cards. So we've been building this up for quite some time, and now we're going to get to this stuff where we're not going to do a whole lot of math here. We're going to talk a little bit about scheduling credit card payments and minimum payment balances, but mostly we're looking at things in terms of what you maybe should or shouldn't do with regards to having a credit card. Where for this week, we have one small deadline, weekly worksheet, like normal, but the bigger thing you have to worry about is that next week we are looking at our second exam over Chapter 8, so expect to hear from me about that at some point this week. But we have deadlines for all of the Chapter 8 assignments in that week as well, and then a pre-assessment looking ahead towards week 8 so we can start getting ready for the exam. But for now, let's jump into 8.7 to get to work with homeownership.